Hey friends, if you wish to change the scroll bar width in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Okay, and now open the registry editor window. Go to HT current user, control panel, desktop and Windows matrix. In the right pane, you will notice two string entries named scroll height and scroll width. Now the default value is minus 252, in some cases minus 255. You can change it to 500 and click on OK, and then you can change it to 500 and then click on OK for scroll width as well, both for scroll height and scroll width. Okay, and then simply restart your computer and you will notice the changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.